Unlock natural beauty. DIY face masks for every skin type. The importance of natural ingredients in skincare is undeniable. DIY face masks offer benefits like cost-effectiveness and personalization. Understand your skin type: dry, oily, combined, sensitive. Each has unique needs. Natural ingredients offer versatile solutions. Avocado nourishes dry skin, clay clarifies oily skin, a honey yogurt blend balances combination skin, and aloe vera soothes sensitive skin. Apply correctly, and consider frequency and duration. Store DIY masks properly for optimal freshness. Remember the role of diet and hydration in skincare. Daily routine recommendations: cleanse, tone, moisturize, mask. Common questions: how often should I use a face mask? Can I combine ingredients? How long can I store a DIY face mask? Are there ingredients to avoid for acne? Can I use DIY masks with skin conditions like eczema? How can I ensure a DIY mask won't harm my skin? Knowledge is power in skincare.